Alright, first order of the day is Taco Bell. Let's go get us some Taco Bell. That's alright. Thank you. God bless. There you go, brother. Thank you. God bless you. I got the second order for Jack in the Cracker. Thank you. God bless you, brother. Thank you. God bless you. Hello.
Hi, Logan.
Thank you. God bless you.
You as well. Have a good one.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Says, what does that thing have? I like it. It's nice.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Okay. Here's the bag. And then let me just give you. There you go. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Drive safely.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. God bless you.